Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll introduce 6 drinks that help reduce creatinine levels and improve your kidney health. Your kidneys are like the body's natural filter, keeping your blood clean and everything in balance. But when creatinine levels increase, you might start wondering, what can I drink to help my kidneys out? While no magic drink can instantly lower creatinine levels, some drinks can support kidney health and keep everything running smoothly. So, in today's video, we're talking about drinks that help reduce creatinine and boost kidney health. But before we begin listing a few of these drinks, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and stick around for more health tips. 6. Watermelon juice. Watermelon is probably a summer favorite of many, but it's not just refreshing, it also has many health benefits. For instance, did you know that watermelon is rich in both essential and non-essential amino acids? One of its components is L-citrulline, which the kidneys convert into L-arginine. This amino acid plays a role in producing nitric oxide, an important signaling molecule that helps regulate various physiological processes and acts as a powerful scavenger for harmful free radicals. Watermelon also contains antioxidants and has a whole host of impressive properties. It's been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, hepatoprotective, and even anti-diabetic effects, among others. In a study aimed at understanding how watermelon juice could help prevent kidney damage, researchers worked with 30 Wistar rats. They divided the rats into 5 groups. 4 of these groups were fed monosodium glutamate, MSG, which can be harmful to the kidneys, while 3 of those groups also received different concentrations of watermelon juice, 25%, 50%, and 100%. The 5th group just got water. After 30 days, the results were quite revealing. The groups that consumed watermelon juice showed significantly lower creatinine levels, by about 32% to 46%, compared to the group that only received MSG. However, those in the lower concentration group still had elevated urea levels compared to the water group, indicating some kidney stress. Overall, it's clear that watermelon juice could be a valuable ally for kidney health, helping to mitigate damage and maintain function. 5. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice has 3 times the amount of antioxidants found in green tea, which makes it an excellent choice for reducing inflammation. A study took a close look at how pomegranate juice might protect against kidney damage caused by lithium, a medication that can sometimes harm the kidneys. 6 groups of rats were studied. Some received only lithium, some only pomegranate juice, and others got both in different doses. The findings were clear. Pomegranate juice significantly lowered the creatinine and urea levels in the blood, particularly in rats that were given both lithium and pomegranate juice. This suggests that pomegranate juice has a protective effect, likely due to its high vitamin C and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing the oxidative damage to the kidneys caused by lithium. But before you run off to chug pomegranate juice, remember this: it's high in potassium, which can be a concern if you're dealing with kidney disease or are on dialysis. So, be sure to check with your doctor before making it a daily habit. 4. Cranberry juice. We all know cranberry juice is that refreshing, tart drink we love, right? But did you know it also contains powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins and proanthocyanidins? These antioxidants help in fighting inflammation throughout your body, including in your kidneys. Cranberry juice has also been a go-to choice for helping lower the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. Researchers have found that those antioxidants in cranberries prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, making it harder for infections to settle in. Now, when it comes to your kidneys, cranberries in itself have a diuretic effect. This means they help boost urine production. And why is that important? More urine means your body is flushing out more waste, including creatinine. So, while cranberry juice is not a magic cure for high creatinine, it can help support your kidneys in doing their job. 3. Hibiscus tea. If you're familiar with the hibiscus flower, you know it's full of health benefits. You see, hibiscus tea is rich in polyphenols, which are powerful compounds that help shield our kidneys from oxidative damage and inflammation, 2 factors that can lead to long-term issues. A study explored this by looking at how hibiscus and green tea could protect the kidneys. Researchers tested their effects on adult rabbits by inducing nephrotoxicity with gentamicin, a medication that is known to stress the kidneys. The results were quite eye-opening. The group treated with green tea showed a significant reduction in urea and creatinine levels, indicators of kidney function, compared to the gentamicin group. Also, those sipping on hibiscus tea saw noteworthy improvements in these markers, showing their protective properties. So, if you're looking to boost your kidney health, why not brew a cup of hibiscus tea? 2. Green tea. These days, it feels like green tea is everywhere, and it's not just a trend. If you're struggling with any kind of kidney issue, adding a moderate amount of green tea to your routine can make a big difference. Green tea can help maintain healthy creatinine levels. This is largely because of powerful antioxidants, such as catechins, found in green tea. They help reduce inflammation throughout the body. One of the standout components in green tea is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. Not only does EGCG battle inflammation, but it can also potentially block the formation of kidney stones. An interesting study found that green tea extract was able to lower creatinine levels in mice infected with malaria. The mice were given green tea extract twice daily for 10 days, and the results showed that it helped protect their kidneys and maintain proper function during the infection. And, just like we talked about with hibiscus tea, another study showed green tea significantly reduced urea and creatinine levels compared to a gentamicin-treated group. So, make green tea a regular part of your routine for healthy kidneys. 1. Beetroot juice. Aside from its striking color, beetroot juice is packed with antioxidants and polyphenols that offer a wide range of health benefits, especially for your kidneys. One major advantage is its ability to help lower blood pressure. Since high blood pressure puts extra stress on your kidneys, this drink can lend a helping hand to your kidney health in more ways than one. In one study, researchers exposed rats to a low dose of streptozotocin to induce type 2 diabetes mellitus. Once the rats developed diabetes, they were divided into 6 groups, including a control group, with each group getting different treatments for 12 weeks via gavage, a way of saying they were given the treatments orally. Now, the researchers tracked a lot of health markers like fasting blood glucose, insulin levels, and a measure called homeostatic model assessment for insulin resistance, HOMA-IR, which gives an idea of how resistant the rats had become to insulin, just like humans with diabetes. They also looked at things like cholesterol, triglycerides, and even kidney function markers such as albumin, creatinine, and urea in both the blood and urine. They wanted to see what was happening inside the kidneys at a molecular level, so they measured oxidative stress and inflammation markers like glutathione and malondialdehyde. When the results came out, the rats treated with beetroot extract gained weight similar to the healthy, non-diabetic control rats, which is always a good sign when dealing with diabetes. Even more interesting, their blood glucose, insulin, and HOMA-IR levels dropped significantly, meaning they were better at controlling their blood sugar. Lipid profiles, like cholesterol and triglycerides, improved as well. The beetroot extract treatment helped reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, leading to improved kidney function. The levels of creatinine, urea, and urinary albumin decreased significantly in the beetroot extract-treated rats. That's not all. In another experiment, scientists wanted to see how beetroot juice affected creatinine levels. Using Jaffe's method, they administered 2 doses of beetroot juice, 500 milligrams per kilogram and 1,000 milligrams per kilogram. The results showed that both doses led to a significant drop in creatinine levels, but the 500 milligrams per kilogram dose stood out even more. Why? Well, beetroot contains about 1.5 grams of protein per 100 grams, and as the dose increases, so does the protein content. This boosts urea levels, which in turn can help lower creatinine levels. That's why beetroot is gaining attention as a potential nephroprotective drink. However, as good as it is, there's a small caveat. Beet juice is high in oxalates, which can increase the risk of kidney stones, particularly if you're prone to calcium oxalate stones. So, if that's been an issue for you before, you might want to limit or avoid beet juice. One more thing before we run off, don't be alarmed if your urine or poop turns a bit red after drinking beet juice. It's totally normal and can last a couple of days. It's just one of the harmless side effects of the drink. When it comes to keeping our kidneys in tip-top shape, water is your best friend. Staying hydrated is essential. But today's video has introduced you to some other drinks that can also support kidney health. Just remember, moderation is key. You want to enjoy these beverages without overdoing it. That's it for today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more awesome health tips. We can't wait to see you next time.